Nice. Finally, geez. Holy. There we go. There we go. Finally. All right. Woo. All right, guys. 14. 14 inches. Oh, there's another one. What happened? Woo. What the hell is this? Is this bass? That's bass, right? Looks kind of weird because it's really short but stubby. Hey. Holy cow. I switched to watermelon seed. Alright guys, bass number 2. Little tiny one. But I'll take it. They're probably just around this corner somewhere because the first one was over there, then the other one was just over there. Thing over here. Oh shit, I thought that was a snake or something. Fucking A. There we go, she got it. Oh. Woo. What is this? It's like a bluegill or something. Something's been biting over there on that edge though. I'm trying to see. I've been getting bites and I see a little bit of like wake coming out. I can't tell if it's fish or some other damn thing. It's like, there it is. What is that? Oh, it's bass. It's bass. It's bass. It's bass. Alright, baby. Shoot. Number 3! I'm testing out this Fireline 6-pound line. And it's working out pretty good. And I had doubts on it, but it's holding up pretty good. Right in the mouth. There we go. 14 and a half. And she still got some belly on her. That's number 3. There we go. What is this? Holy cow. Woo! Oh, she's bigger. Holy cow. You're bigger. You're bigger than the one earlier. Holy cow. Alright, you are a lot bigger than earlier. There we go. Nice. Woo! That's number 4, guys. 16 and a quarter. Took me 6 times to catch that one. Oh, there it is. Got it. What the heck? Oh, lost it. Damn. You gotta land it. No, it's not on the boat. Grab by the lip. There you go. Good job. Good job. I know you've been out here for like, babe, that's tie. We're 4-4 right now. We got to break it. That's a good one. There you go. Hold it right there. Oh, got one. Oh, oh, don't get me wrapped around. Woo! Nice. Crystal, number 6. Hey guys, wow, it's all beat up. Got my worm all the way in there. Alright guys, that's number 5 and she is all beat up and scarred up. Look at that. Full of scars. Jeez. Alright, let's get a measurement on her. 16 inches, Crystal. See you later, Beth. Of course, there's a bass swimming underneath me, and I didn't even realize it. It must be on top of a bed. It's just circling around in a mound or on top of a mound. Oh, got it! Top water! Holy cow! Alright guys, bass number 6. Bass number 6. Took it on top water when I was retrieving the worm bass and it was skipping on top. It went for it twice and then I killed it on the third time and it ate it up.